Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review Rippling. Rippling is a good software for managing employee payroll, benefits, devices, apps and more. So everything in one place. And what I'm going to focus on in this video are pricing plans. When you're going to look like what you can actually get here and how it all works. And then I'm going to focus on products, what you can actually get here and what kind of features they offer. So when you come here to Rippling into pricing plan, you see that the Rippling starts at $808 a month per user. Tell us which service you like to use and we'll send a custom quote. So you can simply click here, get a free quote, and you're gonna have someone's going to contact you. So then you're gonna have the workforce platform, Rippling Unity, HR Cloud, which is going to be the full service payroll, time attendance, then benefits administration, flex benefits, Cobra administration, learning management, applicant tracking, Pulse, HR help desk. So you see that you're going to have plenty of options here for example, for HR Cloud, and a lot of features that you can get. Now, when you come here to the pricing and you see this, it's going to be a little bit acceptable. Now, it really depends what you actually need from Rippling. And when you would click here, get a free quote, you can easily then chat with them what kind of service, and they are going to give you the price. So I can really say that if it's going to be good or no, it really depends on you. If you're going to write down below in the comments if you liked it or if you didn't like it. Other than that, when we go here to products, you see for the platform, you're gonna have the features as workflow automation, analytics, policy management, access management. Then you're gonna have the HR products as a payroll, time attendance, Pulse, benefits, talent management, PO services, and IT products as app management and device management. So when I come here to workflow automator, automate any workforce task with a custom logic, you see the trigger, and then there is going to be an action. If something happened, what will happen? So you can trigger workflows based on any employee data in your company. Send Slacks, deliver emails, assign tasks, create meetings, update Google Sheets, webhooks, and more. Then when we go further, now that doesn't work. Policy engine, so that was a workflow analytics. Then we're gonna have the policy management. So that's another one. So you're gonna have the HR policies, IT, and also the finance policies. And then you can easily automate them. Then you can have the permissions here. So you see the solutions here for let's say control access, control data, and these are for the HR. So it's pretty good and pretty complex. Then you're gonna have also, as I mentioned, the payroll here, run payroll in 90 seconds. And it's another one you can use as a pay period, review payroll, review approve payroll. That's another one what we can work with. And then we see the time and attendance. And here put time attendance on autopilot. So this is another one that you can use. Automatically track employees' hours from clock in to paycheck, no more manual data entry. And then you're gonna have also the Pulse here. Send, analyze employee surveys, turn employee responses into meaningful action fast. So that's something you can do. You can send any service to any employee in a minute. And you can collect responses here with trusted templates. And last thing that we have here is app management. So an app management mission control for all applications, onboarding, employee changes, offboarding, and then you can easily integrate it with other tools here. So that's pretty much it. And you can set up employee applications when they join. So everything can be really automated and integrated and really fast with replaying. So this is pretty much it. Like, the reviews are really great here, and you're gonna have a lot of industries and testimonials from various companies. I would definitely recommend like to write to Rippling and to see if you like it, if you find it useful. And what I really like is that even if you're small or if you're big, it's still going to be like effective for you. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and that's pretty much it. Goodbye.